3 and the whole is square. Now when you solve a problem like this, basically you are doing 3 cube times 3 cube. Now the reason that I'm taking this twice because of this final power or indice that's present here. So this is one of the methods that I'm going to, I'm using it. So it's 3 cube times 3 cube. So the answer will be, as we already know, that when I have a same number and having the powers or the indices, I just have to add them. So when I have two numbers and I'm multiplying the numbers, I just add the indices. So I get the answer as 3 raised to 3 plus 3. So that's giving me the answer as 3 raised to 6. Okay, the other way of doing it is I just multiply directly the indice. So second method, which is also a simpler method. So instead of doing it or splitting it like this, I just write 3 times 2 as the indices power and I just get it as 3 raised to 6. Okay, so that's the final answer for question 1. And then we'll look at the next question. The next question is number 13 that I'm going to solve. Okay, 2a square times 3a square. Okay, so here we have a coefficient and we have a base variable and a power of the variable or the indices of the variable. Okay, so we just multiply directly the coefficients, so we get the answer as 6 and a square times a square will be a raised to 2 plus 2, which is equals to a raised to 4. So the final answer for question 13 is this one. Next is number 20 that I'm going to show you. And just a minute. Question 20. Question 20 is 2p times 5p raised to 5. 2p times 5p raised to 5. Again, if a variable doesn't have any power that's written or visible, that doesn't mean that the power is 0. It means that the power of that variable is 1. So basically, as usual, we will multiply these two numbers. So I get 10. And because it's p 1 plus 5, it gives me 10 p raised to 6. Okay. So I'll do the next video, which will help me solve question 21, 34 and 37. So this way you can try doing all the problems. Thank you.